6 easy New Year's resolutions to make and keep for a happy and healthy 2022. Number 1. Take the stairs. Times are getting better, so we've started to resume our usual activities at work, when traveling or exercising outdoors. But if you still can't find the time to lose those extra pounds, a few simple tricks, like alternately taking the elevator and stairs to work, might be all you need. You can make this more interesting by setting smaller goals. Record your progress over time, and gradually increase the distance you cover or steps you take. Research shows that getting in some stairs for your break can help you stay fit. Number 2. Why not take up something new? You don't know until you try. You don't know until you try. It's a fresh new year and there's no better time to kickstart a new skill with an online course. For the next few weeks, we'll be highlighting some of our favorite learn-to-do courses from your latest obsession to making delicious cakes. Set realistic targets and give yourself a pat on the back when you do them. This way, not only will you stay motivated, but you'll also see growth in all areas of life. Number 3. Go to bed early. Getting enough sleep each night will make a huge difference to your recharge time and you'll feel much happier as a result. Healthy sleeping habits also reduce the risk of developing certain physical and mental illnesses. Number 4. Read more books. Reading books can be an enlightening experience, no matter what your interests are. This New Year's resolution is incredibly easy to keep and it will help you stay away from your phone. Number 5. Eating healthy. You can accomplish so by making simple dietary modifications. Adding leafy greens to your meals will quadruple your fiber intake, improve your digestion, help you lose weight, and protect you from a variety of diseases. Cutting less on junk food and eating more plant-based foods and seasonal fruits will also help. A citrus-rich diet offers its own set of advantages. Seasonal melons and berries boost immunity and metabolism, and the vitamin C in them gives your skin a healthy glow. One of the most effective ways to go is to incorporate more salads and juices to your diet. Number 6. Volunteer regularly. Make it a point to join a good cause and volunteer on a regular basis in the new year. Giving back to the community and volunteering for a cause that helps the less fortunate will improve your mental health. Volunteering services can help you improve your leadership skills and make you feel like you're part of a community, in addition to lowering stress. This New Year's resolve will be enjoyable and simple to keep if you get into the spirit of the cause or service. Furthermore, once the job is completed, it provides a satisfying sense. Thank you for watching the video. Like and subscribe for more videos like that, for a 2022 healthier,